Hi, my name is Jennifer Cossette, and I'll be presenting information about an invaluable district training technology plan designed for Montgomery County Public School teachers. First, I'll give a quick introduction about the plan, why it's important, and how it will make a difference. This proposal consists of a strategic plan that's designed to accommodate employees in the area of need related to pedagogical and technical skills in the workplace. It's intended for all teachers, including elementary and secondary, and for teachers of all different skill levels. The plan is really designed to give teachers the tools they need to refine their practice and create the best possible learning environment for our students in the 21st century. Technology has changed the way we live and learn, and we definitely need to continue to provide our teachers with opportunities for professional growth that has a direct impact on our students' success and achievement. Educational technology is the key to continuing our success. So the purpose of this plan is to offer educators training that will improve their quality of instruction. The plan has the following goals for teachers. The participants will improve their understanding of effective technology integration to support student learning, as well as collaborate with colleagues to refine their teaching practices. Within those goals are the following objectives. Teachers will be able to integrate technology into small group instruction at least twice a marking period. Following the plan, teachers will develop at least one lesson with an authentic audience each marking period. They'll be able to select and use at least 3 Web 2.0 tools to enhance instruction during the school year. And finally, design or modify a web quest aligned with a curriculum standard to improve the research process. The plan was developed carefully to reflect the current needs of teachers within the district. A survey was administered to 18 teachers at Oakland Terrace Elementary School, and the results indicate that teachers feel they need more training, strategies for enhancing their small group instruction, as well as training on how to use software and tools online. These charts highlight some of the results from the Needs Analysis Survey, showing how technology is used in the classroom, teacher comfort level on planning with technology, and interest in learning new technology. Based off of the results, these are the top 10 challenges the district is facing in regards to technology training. 1. Inadequate technology training offered. 2. Incorporating technology into small group instruction. 3. Individualizing learning with technology. 4. Designing web quests to support instruction. 5. Increasing opportunities for students to share work with authentic audiences. 6. Use of technology tools to publish student work. 7. Lack of support from technology specialists. 8. Keeping up with technology changes. 9. Enhancing lessons integrated with technology. And 10. Improving the research process with technology. The plan in this proposal was designed with these top 10 challenges in mind. So once the needs were analyzed, a plan was developed to address the needs and best support teachers. The plan consists of a 5-day workshop with the following courses: Introduction to Technology in the Classroom, Technology Trends in Education, Individualizing Instruction with Technology, Increasing Opportunities for Authentic Audiences, Publishing Student Work with Web 2.0 Tools, and Developing Web Quests to enhance the research process. The courses in the workshop directly align with the International Society for Technology and Education Standards for Educators, which are listed here on this page. In order to effectively implement this plan and provide our teachers with substantial and useful training in the area of technology, the following budget was prepared to reflect the outgoing expenditures and incoming funding. The overall plan is expected to cost $16,250. With an operating budget of $2.52 billion for the 2018 school year, MCPS should highly consider funding this plan based on the impact this plan will have on students and the benefits of providing our teachers with the best possible training they can receive. In conclusion, our students deserve the best instruction to learn 21st century skills, the best trained teachers, the best learning environment, and the best opportunities for success. So please consider implementing this district technology training plan. Thank you.